Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making chutney without walnuts because I am allergic to walnuts. Keep watching for the ingredients required. First off, you'll need cilantro, the main staple for this sauce. I'm using 5 bunches of cilantro. I'm using 5 garlic cloves, 2 serrano peppers, 1 jalapeno. I'm using a cup and a half of vinegar, some olive oil, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of sea salt. You can adjust the taste to your taste buds and to your liking. That's what's the cool thing about this recipe. Next thing I did was wash and chop all my ingredients. You kind of just chop everything and throw it into a food processor. It's really easy. You don't need to cut it too finely. Next, we're going to go ahead and put everything we chopped into the food processor. It's okay if everything doesn't fit, you can add it in later. That happened to me because it'll blend down and be really fine and it'll decrease in size. And then you add in your vinegar. You're going to add in your olive oil. And you're going to go ahead and add in your 2 tablespoons of sea salt or salt of your choice. Now you're going to blend. You want this to be super fine and super blended. So now that I've blended it, I'm going to go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients, the mixture. And then this is where I add in my half a cup more of vinegar, so that way it could blend. And you're going to blend it again. I do like to stop every now and then and check on the consistency. So as you see here, it needs some more blending. And I also like to do a taste test. So taste test if it needs more salt, if it needs more vinegar, if it needs more oil. And now I'm blending it until it's really fine. And this is like the consistency you want. It's ready to serve. Or you could store it in a little glass container in the fridge for 4 to 6 months. Thank you guys so much for watching how I make my chutney. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. And have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.